Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp messages stuck on one tick. So I will explain that for you before we start. So as you can see, for example, here after I send the messages, there is two gray ticks, and two gray ticks means your message was sent but not opened yet. But only one tick means that your message was sent but not received yet. And there is few reasons for that. First of all, the person that you sent him the message don't have internet connection, so that's why your message didn't arrive yet. And the second reason, the other person blocked you. He blocked you on WhatsApp, and if someone block you, your message will be sent, but it will not arrive to them. And you can know that a person blocked you on on WhatsApp if you can't see his picture like anymore on the picture on the top of the screen, like this picture. You can't see it anymore, and you have or you see only one tick on WhatsApp. There is a big percentage that this person blocked you from WhatsApp. And if not, you have to check also that, because sometimes there is some technical problems, you have to check that there is, and you don't need to update the WhatsApp app, and to check that you have to go to the App Store and look for WhatsApp. Let's look for WhatsApp. And as you can see, it asks me to update. So sometimes you have, or you need only to update the app, and it will solve the problem, and you have to restart your phone and to leave it maybe for 1 minute closed and open it again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.